Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make my version of Hong Kong style macaroni soup. This is usually eaten for breakfast and it comes together in less than 30 minutes. This recipe is enough for 2 servings. To get started, chop up your favorite vegetables. You'll need 1 cup's worth. I'm using carrot, celery, frozen peas, and frozen corn. And for garnish, chop 1 scallion. Next, fill a pot with water and salt it. Bring it to a boil and add 4 ounces of macaroni. When the macaroni is cooked through, drain and set it aside. Now add 3 cups of chicken stock to a different pot and bring it to a boil. Add the vegetables and simmer until the carrots and celery are soft. It usually takes around 10 minutes. To season the soup, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a stir and taste the stock to see if it needs salt. I also added pepper. Now fry 2 slices of ham on each side. Spam is also common to use in this soup, but use whatever you like or have on hand. Roll up the ham and cut into slices. Last but not least, fry 2 eggs. I'm doing sunny side up, but fry them however you like your eggs cooked. Now we can put everything together. Divide the macaroni into 2 bowls. Add the soup to the macaroni and mix it all together. Add the fried egg on top along with the sliced ham, scallions, and a drizzle of sesame oil. And that's it! I've been making this soup a lot for lunch lately. I keep going back to it because I always have the ingredients and it takes no time at all to put together. And it's delicious, of course. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!